So the first thing we do here is divide both sides of the vinculum by root cos x to the power of 5, which lets us slip it in the bottom term like so, since it's also to the 5. And so the bottom is 1 plus root tan x to the 5, and the top is 3 sec squared, since we had 3 over root cos x to the 4. Then we can rewrite the integrand like so by using the tan and sec's trig identity. And so now the crucial trick is that this allows us to do a u sub for u root tan x. And so we see that x is arctan of u squared, which implies dx is 2u du over 1 plus u to the 4. And so plugging that in gives us this guy, which we can simplify to this guy. And don't forget the endpoints, right? When x is 0, u is 0, but when x goes to pi over 2, u is going to infinity since u is just tan x. And so now notice that this is obviously 1/2. And I know it's not obvious, but before you yell in the comments, how on earth did you see that that was 1/2? This looks a lot like our beta function, which is just this integral here, or equivalently this fraction of gammas. And since these are effectively super duper factorials, you can just plug in 2 for x and 3 for y to see that this all works out, as you'll have 6 times 1 over 12, and yeah, we're done.